Ever wish you could infuse your ordinary photos with that magical, warm glow of a breathtaking sunset, even if the natural light wasn't cooperating? Let's dive into Lightroom and learn how to transform your images into captivating golden hour scenes. First, we'll head to the basic panel to start our color transformation. Increase the temperature to introduce those beautiful warm tones. Don't be afraid to push it until you see a noticeable shift towards orange. Next, subtly adjust the tint by moving it slightly to the right to add a touch of magenta, preventing the warmth from looking too yellow. Now, let's refine those colors. Go to the HSL color panel, select saturation, and boost the saturation of your reds and oranges. This will make those sunset hues really pop. For a realistic glow coming from the sky, select the graduated filter. Drag it down from the top of your image, covering the area where you want the strongest sunset effect. Within this filter, significantly increase the temperature, again moving it towards the warmer side. You can also slightly increase the exposure to brighten the sun's area. To add a dreamy, atmospheric glow, move the Dehaze slider to the left within your graduated filter settings. This helps soften the light and create that ethereal feel. Finally, increase the saturation within the graduated filter to intensify the already warm colors in the sky, making your sunset even more vibrant. With these simple steps, you've transformed your photo, adding the breathtaking magic of a golden hour glow, even if the original lighting wasn't ideal.